Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we are the publishers of Edible New Mexico magazine. And welcome to episode 11 of the 5 Minute Friday. This week we're fixing the element so that we can drive north. We're checking out the Farmhouse Bakery in Taos. Dining on the patio at Bar Castaneda in Las Vegas. And we're cooking up corn and snap pea succotash. But first, we're going to do this.
Cheers.
Fixed. Dun, dun, dun. That's right. I'm a YouTube certified master technician. One of the things I'm going to be fixing today is this. What is this, you ask? This is an engine mount. When my car is driving, it's rattling like crazy. So that's what we're doing today. So before I lift this car up, we have to chock the wheels.
Okay. Thanks for being safe, Walt.
That's about being safe.
You too will be a YouTube certified master technician by the time this 5 Minute Friday is over.
Take the old one out, put this new one in. Because I accidentally ran it over with my car and destroyed it.
There's Walt under the car. He's going to change the part.
Okay. This is the old one. It doesn't look bad, but when you look underneath, big huge tear in the rubber part. It's all. This one's going in.
We're done for tonight.
Oh.
And we're heading to Taos tomorrow. And fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. It's gonna be fine. So we're driving through the gorge right now, going up to Taos.
Where are we, Walt?
Hey, we're in Taos. Alright, so we're at the Farmhouse Bakery here in Taos, New Mexico, and we're getting ready to try some of their croissants. And I don't need this right now. That is actually the cinnamon roll. I was going to save this for last, but I can't resist cinnamon rolls. What we're going to have for lunch, a ham and cheese and green chili.
They make all their croissants in-house.
Ooh, that's good. Buttery goodness, that green chili is awesome.
Tiny Walt.
We're at Bar Castaneda in Las Vegas, New Mexico. And it's totally awesome and you should come. So I've got spaghetti and meatballs. These are marjoram meatballs? Marjoram.
They're handmade.
They're handmade. And this is handmade pasta. I'm having a sangria with my spaghetti and meatballs. Here's tea. Ooh, that's good. So what do you got, Steph?
I have the chorizo and mussels, and it's handmade garganelli pasta.
And what are you drinking?
This is a Irish Maid, which is a whiskey drink, of course, with elderflower.
Ooh.
That's good.
Green's happy with the green.
really good.
They're having a wedding. Because of the COVID thing, they had to do it virtually. There are 500 people watching them via Zoom right now. They're reading their vows right now, and I'm crashing their wedding.
Hey everyone, Sean over at Bar Castaneda. Just wanted to shout out and show you guys how we were doing service. We have this massive patio. It seats up to 160 guests, so with 50% we can still seat 80 people. Plenty of space. We are selling out on the weekends, so go to our website, kinlbnm.com, and through Talk you can make a reservation. That's T-O-C-K. I hope to see you all up here in Vegas. I hope everybody's doing okay.
So we're going to do a succotash, and usually succotash is lima beans and corn, but we're going to sub out snap peas, so we're going to have a nice meeting of the seasons, early corn, late snap peas. So I've already prepped these, but just to show you, and just go like that. These, you can see they're a little bit different looking than these, and it's because they sat on the vine longer. Skin is tough. It's not good, very good to eat. The inside is still great, and include them shelled as well. Walt always gets to drink wine. Cracker corn. This is all you're doing, and I highly recommend you not throw away the corn cob. When you have enough, you can make some amazing corn milk stock and make a great corn chowder. All right, now we're gonna get to cooking. It's just gonna take a few minutes. Did you notice I got my hair done? A little bit of olive oil, I don't know, a tablespoon and a half. Throw in them peas, it's gonna be hot. And those. I like cooking veggies in cast iron because it just gives it that lovely, crisp, caramely color and texture. Do a little bit of salt, pepper. And this probably just needs to cook about, I don't know, 3-4 minutes, medium-high heat. Cheers. So our veggies are getting nice and caramely. So I'm just gonna add just basically a clove of garlic. I have 3 here, but they're tiny. And this is just for the last minute of cooking. And that's it. Put it in a bowl and give it a taste. We've taken it off, we put it in a bowl. Fresh chopped parsley, yes, from my garden. I'm gonna serve that. You could put Parmesan on this. You could put feta, like, possibilities are endless. The sugar snap peas are so good. There you have it. Succotash.
That's it for this week's episode. Be safe and be well.